step?
Just say Tadiwa.
Tadiwa.
Yes.
And then
Tanaka.
Tanaka.
Yeah,
Alright, this is Tanaka Bafetu.
And I'm
Sharek. Yeah. In this video, I'm with these young guys, I'm with these my friends, and they're gonna help you. Nanya wana about cheese boy. About cheese boy Bafet. Yeah. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna ask you, each and every one of you is gonna give us 2 points. Bafet. We are striking relationships, ne? Our girlfriends, they say no, guys are dogs. You know, they say that boy, men are dogs. We don't want that. We want to be good guys. But I want to ask you, how can you make your girlfriend happy? I want my girlfriend to obsess with me, to love me alone, not cheat on me. But how can I achieve that? We're taking this to Tanjiwa.
Okay, I think probably just showing that you are there.
All right.
Yeah, showing that level of commitment in a relationship that works. Yeah, and also, yeah, those little things, those little words, I love you, I'm there. Yeah, it works.
Okay. All right. Yeah. That was from my friend there, guys. We're taking from Tanjiwa. We're taking from you, man. Give us those 2 tips, man.
Guys, me personally, I think we lie to each other.
Yes.
This thing of relationships, the one relationship is supposed to fix is your relationship with God.
Right.
If you're fixed with that, even your relationship with your boyfriend, God will show you everything. How to do everything, how to cook, how to be submissive, how to love, everything.
All right.
This thing of how do I please? It's because we miss the bigger picture. We miss the bigger picture. God
Right.
first, everything the rest.
Yo. Nothing is impossible with God. To hear this statement.
Nothing.
Now we're taking from my friend here. Yeah, tell us, bro.
Well, what I can say is that she has to be there for me all the time. So, and when I need her attention, she should give me. She shouldn't be like, no, I'm now busy doing something. At least if I know that the relationship doesn't work, it's a two-way.
Thank you so much, guys, for giving us these tips. We appreciate it.
No
man.
problem.
Thank you.
We appreciate that too. No more suffering from relationships, guys.
Don't think she's not watching you.
Yes.
She watches whatever you do.
Yes.
If you can try and get her happy,
Uh-huh.
you can steal her heart. But if you can't get her happy, you're gonna have to try and try. Number 2,
Yeah.
don't make cock on your own doorstep. You make cock on your own doorstep, you're gonna get shit. So keep,
You're gonna get caught by the
keep your doorstep clean with a broom.
Yeah.
That's what I would say.
Okay, guys, yeah, we get these 2 tips on Wesley. I believe that you heard what he said. I don't want to repeat this. Yeah, I believe you guys, you're gonna give this video thumbs up and you hit that subscribe button. But faith, this is real. If you put these things in action, yeah, see you. Mphethu mduduzi lana. Usicelo uphuzani mfethu? Usicelo uphuza iHeineken. Bafethu, esicelo nomduduzi bafethu ebambani mfethu. Alright, lana namhlanje abantu laba bayabuza ukuthi ke ugeli wakho ukuze abe happy angakujolele kumele uyenze kanjani?
Izinto asifuna kumele umenze labo.
Kumele umenze into asifuna.
Yeah, khona azokuthanda kahle.
Alright. Awuchazele ke mfethu. Ugeli wakho umenzela ini? Ngicela ngichazele into ezimbalwa ezincane.
Okay. Kufanele ukuthi ifafuna amazipho kumele umenze.
Umbhayela amazimba. Usicela uthena ugeli wakho kumele umbhayela amazimba 1.
Inwele yabo.
Inwele umthengele iBrazilian hair 1000 rand. Mina umthengele.
Yabo. Kumele ifafuna maybe imali ethi yabo amazipho.
Okay, usicela uthini kumele mayifuna imali yamazipho umthengele ugeli wakhe imali yamazipho mawukuthi athatha 800 rand umthengele amazipho.
Maybe ifafuna imali ethani but ungamniki imali because yabo imali imosha ubogela yabo. Kumele umsendele idatha.
Uthina usicebuzini lana uthi ugeli wakho amelanga umphi imali kodwa mayefuna idatha kwamele make sure ukuthi ugeli wakho covered ngedatha.
Hayi.
Umduduzi lana bafethu mphethe umduduzi manje so ugeli wakho mafuna ukuthi uthere ngakujolele abe happy, always happy, thande wena angakujolela bonke abantu abathanda kumele yenze kanjani?
ngiphathe eqhweni nginikeze into izinto azifuna.
uthi umphathe grand umnikeze into azifuna ezinjengane esiqepsini.
Yabona noma athi ufuna ichocolate kumele umbhayele mona.
Uthi yena umduduzi ugeli wakho makuthi ufuna ichocolate umbhayele number 3.
Uyaphana mayifuna ukuthi nathi sihlangane kumele vele uhlale ukhona ngoba hlala ungekho uzomtshela kusasa semene sicela.
Uthi yena umduduzi kumele uhlale available for ugeli wakho ngoba mawungayekela available uzomtshela nje abantu abanjalo bosiqepsini. So number 4 guys, you must be always available for your girlfriend. That's it. I'm getting this thing for umduduzi bafethu. Say hi to my friends here on YouTube and Facebook. We love you guys emakhaya siyathanda nonke emakhaya bafethu. Hola. Cheers. Lona ngumduduzi ngosiqepsini ngunkosika malana bafethu ngiphethe nama out bafethu.